Welcome to J&J's test video for S5LE202. This is a 2005 VVT modeled GX470. It has hail damage. As you can see in the hood, pretty beat up. Some of the fenders are beat up, but it's lifted, set of chrome wheels, came out of Texas, pretty clean. You'll walk around. Oh, I let it lock. Got a little lift on it. Somewhere along the line in those 266, it had the belt changed. I don't know when, but all I know is you probably should put one on it before you put it in. Power seat tracks. Seats are a little worn out. They work. We'll check the mirrors. 266, 285. Not a bad truck. Uh-oh, we got a dead mirror over there. Oh, helps if I put the button in the right spot. That works. Sunroof works. What else we got? Tape deck. The screen here works. Easy listening. Oh, wait, take a ride to the boondocks. Let's take her for a ride. Take my little jack hold down thing off of her. All right. Take it for a drive. Got all the stability lights on. Probably has like a check engine light from the evap canister or something on these. Take the shortcut. See if the four-wheel drive works. Yeah, there she goes, up through the weeds. Let's see if low works. Check. Oh, there she went. Oh yeah, there's low. Alright, T-case works. Pump diff works. All that. Let's put her back into high. And that'll do it for S5LE202. And as always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.